YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and check out this haircut. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. Starting at the middle, we're going to do a vertical section. So this is going to be our guideline. So we're going to be cutting in between 2 to 3 inches from the crown to the front of the forehead. Alright, so we're going to be doing 4 vertical sections on each side of the head to make sure we get the same length on each side. Alright, so now we're going to do the other side. Make sure you take your time whenever you do this process so you avoid cutting yourself. Okay, so now we're going to be working on the top using horizontal sections. We're going to cross-check our work to make sure everything is nice and even. Okay, so now that our hair is nice and dry, normally it gets a little bit puffy when it's dry, so I like to cross check one more time to make sure there's no hair sticking out. Okay, so we're going to be doing a little bit of point cutting just on the tips, just to make sure whenever he combs his hair, it gives it a nice smooth connection. Whenever he uses pomade or if he uses wax, Okay, so now with my number 3 guard, we're going to debulk this section. Okay, so we're going to be staying underneath the parietal ridge. Okay, so now we're going to use our shears to connect the parietal ridge from the sides to the top. So now with my number 1 guard close, we're going to do a taper. So on the sideburns, I use the number 1 guard. Now I open the lever to fade in to the top. Now with my number 2 guard closed, I'm going to use the corners to start to fade that in. Okay, so now I'm going to be repeating the same steps that I did on the first section. Alright, so now with my number 1 guard closed, I'm going to be cleaning the nape area. So as I continue to work my way up, I will open the lever to be 1.5. Okay, so now with my number 2 guard open, I will start to clean this area, and as I work my way back down, I will close the lever and start to knock out any lines that I start to see. Okay, so now with my trimmers, we're going to be leaving the lines as crispy as possible. So this is what's going to make the haircut stand out even more. Alright, so now with my thinning shears, we're going to be smoothing out some sections just so it gives it a better connection. Now with my thinning shears, we're going to remove some bulk from the top so it's easier for him to comb his hair. Don't forget guys, it's always very important to clean your area. Okay, so now I'm applying a little bit of shaving gel so that I could come back with my straight razor and make sure all the lines are very sharp. so now I'm applying a little bit of hair product, making sure it's spread out evenly. YouTube, here are the final results. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did. Remember, stay tuned, hit that notification bell, like the video, all that good stuff. And I will be dropping a video next Tuesday. See you guys soon. Peace.